Greetings everyone, I'm Amber Singh and today I'm with Jayashree for the second episode of the Copilot Studio Administration, Security and the Governance series. This episode will provide you an insight of the key Copilot tenant level configuration settings that can be used to optimize the governance and security across your organization. Configuration Copilot tenant level configuration setting optimize the governance, security and optimal operationals efficiency across your organization. If you can see what here in the chart, like we have a trial license control, which can be handled via the Azure PowerShell commands. And the privileges, what is required here, user should be Azure PowerShell admin in that case. What it does exactly, it's just basically block free trial signups without an admin permissions. Then we have tons of the other settings. To use those, all of the settings, you have to go to the Power Platform Admin Center in the setting area. And the minimum privileges, you need a Power Platform admin rights. Example, we have a control agents with an AI features where you can block the generative AI Copilot uses in the Copilot agents. Then you have a Copilot Studio author control where you restrict the Copilot Studio uses to a security group specific. Set up environment routings where the routes makers to specific environment group. AI builder credits control where you decide if the tenant level AI credits can be used by the environment. Copilot data collection where you enable or block the sharings prompt request with the Microsoft, and then Copilot Studio feedback control where you enable or block the feedback to the Microsoft. Let's have a quick demo. So I would like to ask Jayashree if you can show demo from your side.
Let's navigate to Power Platform Admin Center. Once you are on the Power Platform Admin Center with Power Platform Admin role, you would be able to see the Power Platform settings. So once you navigate to the Power Platform settings, there are tons of settings which are available to control the environment and provide security and governance. So let's walk through with one of the setting here. Let's navigate to the Publish Copilot with AI features. What happens with this feature? So basically, this allows authors to publish Copilot Studio when AI features are enabled. So this would control AI features and which will govern and secure Copilot Studio with generative AI features. We can disable this agent publishing, or admin can use this feature to turn off the ability to publish agents that use generative AI features for our tenant. So let's see the impact on this feature, how it works. So when this setting is disabled, if you go on the Copilot Studio and if I see my generative AI feature setting set up to the generative, and let's see if I am able to publish this agent. So if you could say a publish button is disabled at the moment just because in central admin we have disabled this feature. So now let's understand if I enable this, let's save, and how that impacts on my agent. So if I refresh this page now, end user would be able to publish this Copilot agent, which is using generative AI features. So this is how we can control the generative AI features across our tenant, which can provide security and governance. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jayashree. And also thank you to all of our audience. Please stay tuned to this channel by subscribing and pressing the bell icon. Share the videos with your friends and the colleagues who are having the same skill sets and want to take a deep dive into the AI agent or the Copilot Studio administration and the governance. We will be coming up with the more interesting tips, knowledge sharing, and the lesson learnings around the AI agents. Also, please always keep your eyes into the description of the video so that you're always up to date with the latest information released from the Microsoft. Till that, have a nice time and happy learning. Goodbye.